Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of fragrances. Have you ever wanted to craft your very own one-of-a-kind perfume that captures your unique essence? Well, you're in luck. In this how-to video, we'll guide you through the fascinating journey of creating your own custom perfume. Perfume isn't just about smelling good. It's a form of self-expression, and by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to blend your signature scent. So, let's embark on this aromatic adventure together and unlock the secrets of perfumery. You will need 30 milliliters unscented perfume oil. Jojoba oil or almond oil can be used. Fragrance notes, chosen to your preference, for example, floral, spicy, citrus, empty perfume bottles. Pipettes, glass containers for blending. A notepad for recording the recipe. Begin by selecting your fragrance notes. You can blend different notes to achieve your desired scent profile. For example, combine lavender, rose, and vanilla for a floral, sweet fragrance. Prepare your base oil by pouring 30 milliliters of unscented perfume oil into a glass container. Use the pipette to add drops of your chosen fragrance notes into the base oil. Start with a few drops of each and adjust to your taste. Keep in mind that some fragrance notes can be highly concentrated, so use caution. Gently stir the mixture to blend the fragrance notes with the base oil. Seal the container and let the mixture sit for a few days to mature and develop. Once the mixture has matured, use the pipette to transfer it into empty perfume bottles. Create a label with the name of your homemade perfume and the ingredients you've used. The perfume is now ready to use. Apply it to pulse points like wrists, neck, or behind the ears. Thank you for joining us today and learning how to create your own signature perfume. We hope you feel inspired to experiment with different fragrance notes and craft a unique scent that suits your personality perfectly. Feel free to share your own perfume recipes and experiences with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting DIY projects and creative tips. We'll see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day and smell fantastic.